Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Welcome to day 3 of becoming a profitable trader. I know I took some time off on trading and yeah, it was like a personal thing. That's the reason why I took it off. I apologize for that, guys. I'm back now and I'll be consistent, guys. I do apologize again for that because I'm not consistent with the video, but now inshallah for this whole week I'll be posting every day for the next until I get tired of it. I won't be tired, but I really don't want it. But I'll try to stay consistent. Maybe every 2 days a new video or every day a new video. But I don't want to burn myself out. So yeah, bro, guys, don't because I'm gonna be trading every day. So like you will see a video of me every day. But yeah, so welcome to day 3. I'm quite excited to come back. Today we have a very fun topic to talk about. It's called market structure. And yeah, let's get into the video. And welcome to day 3 of becoming a profitable trader. And inshallah, we're gonna become profitable by the end of the year. So in 2026, we'll become profitable and we'll be consistent. And I'm quite excited for the journey, guys. And let's stick together and stay consistent, guys. Okay, guys. Welcome back. Wait, this is the wrong screen. So yeah, welcome to day 3. As you guys can see, we have 5 small topics to cover in this video. In day 4, we'll be also covering a lot more intense video. But day 3, this is really important. So for you, when you look at the market, you need to quite understand what's going on, because sometimes, right, you look at the market, you don't know what's happening. And yeah, in this video, we'll explain that. And some of you guys already know this, but you see, to learn the basic and master the basics is more important than just jumping into stuff. So in the last video, we did talk about strategies and all that. I have it right here. In the last video, we talked about what is a 5-frame, what's technical analysis, what is risk management. So yeah, in day 4, probably we're gonna make our own strategy, inshallah. And yeah, but in day 3, we'll be covering market structure. And yeah, let's get into the first topic. And this two, yeah, because they're really quite similar. So in our notes, we say, as you can read here, how do you read market structure? So the first one will be check if it's an uptrend or downtrend or range. A range is just consolidation, so it's just talking about if it's in a bullish or bearish direction or it's in a consolidation. So I'll just show you that now. This is just giving you like a step by step on how to identify what's happening in the market. So yeah, so you look at the market, you see if it's an uptrend or downtrend or if it's consolidating, or then what do? You just mark your high and lows. Then you look for your break of structure and your change of character. I'll explain it right in this video. And yeah, trade in the main direction. Don't switch up on your bias. If you come to the charts and you see, oh, today I'm gonna just be buying, stick with it. Don't see, oh, this is a sell opportunity here. No, just stick to your buy opportunities. If you don't get any, it's fine. That day was not meant to trade, because it's not good to just switch up on your things. So what is market structure, guys? As you can see, market structure is how price moves on a chart, and it shows you the market is going up and down or sideways. Traders use it to see the trend and decide when to buy or sell. So yeah, that's just market structure, and there are 3 types of market structure: an uptrend, a downtrend, and range. So an uptrend is when the price is bullish and it's going in an uptrend, or downtrend is when price is going in a downtrend and price is going down. I'll show you that in examples. And ranges mean sideways. Sideways is just consolidation, when price is in a fixed position and it's just bouncing off each other in a small box. I'll explain that right now. So, and yeah, we'll be having some key definition. We'll be going through like swing high and swing lows, break of structure, change of character. That 4 will be very important. Time frames. So as I said, we already talked about this, but time frames are really important because it does help you a lot. So higher time frame shows the main trend, so like what's happening in a long term effect. Lower time frames, you're just finding entries and it's just like it doesn't really, sorry, you like in a lower time frame you can't really decide on the in the trend that you're going through, because the high time frame is a long term and it's consistent, but with the lower time frame there's so much noise and it can change very quickly. So yeah, but as you can see, the number 1 rule in time frames for the market structure is follow the high time frames direction. So let's go to trading view. So today we will be looking at Euro USD on a 4-hour time frame as a high time frame. So let's see. As you can see, guys, right, there's a what do you call it? This is the market for the Euro versus USD, and I'll be showing you how to identify higher highs, high lows, or lower highs or in lower lows. So as you can see at the moment, what's going on here? As some of you guys will just look at this, right, and you'll just be like, oh no, this they really don't understand. But really, it's quite very simple, and I'll actually quite explain at the moment, right now, because we need to understand this to understand what's happening in the market. So as you can start from here, right, from the bottom of this, as okay, first thing you should know now. So let's just take one thing. No, sorry for that. So just know the market. So when you go in uptrend or high trend, example, this is a straight line, is an uptrend at the moment. So just say this, the price doesn't go off the wick. So you can't say price will be ticked off here. It won't work. Price closes here, so that means the uptrend ended here. As you can see, if you switch our candles into a line candle, you will see where price is. Price is at the top here. So this is where market actually closed, and that's where price actually is. Not here by the week, because the price didn't close there, as you guys can see for that. So let's go back to our candles and let's just clear this. So to identify the market structures, we have to either see if the market's in an uptrend or downtrend. So to identify that, we have to look at the chart and see. So if you start from the lower low, so say here, so as you can see, generally this thing is in a uptrend. So you come here, go up here, higher high, high low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Oh no. Higher high and higher low, and high, low, high. Let's just finish that. As you can see, price is inside in an uptrend. So a higher high and a higher low just means no. When it's an uptrend, right, it means that price went up and came down, went up and came down, went up, came down, went up. So it's in like a zigzag pattern. So price is actually just moving like that, and it just shows that price is going up, and it's in that direction, as you guys can see from the market. So what else will we be covering is that how to know if price is going in a downtrend. So let's go look for a downtrend. So just use this as an example. This is a downtrend up. So downtrend, what we will say is lower high and lower lows. So this is a lower low, this is a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So how do we identify this? So a lower high, right, will break the previous lower low, and a lower. That's quite confusing. Yes, that's quite confusing. So this is a lower low, right here, and this is a lower high. That's a lower low. That's a lower high, and that's a lower low. That's a lower high. So each time the price breaks the previous lower high, the previous lower low, price will continue in the same direction. So as we can see, this is where break of structure and change of character comes inside. So as we were talking here, break of structure, price breaks the last high or the last low, and trend may continue. So right here, let's see if I can get a proper line. So just say in this place, price is what you call it, price break of structure happened here, and a break of structure happened here again, because it broke that previous what you call a low. So really, market structure is just identifying higher highs and high lows, and that's really about it. It's quite confusing when it comes to it, but really it's not much if you really should understand. Yeah, like you really should understand it. So a change of character, as you can see, a change of character when you see price breaks the other way, so it might reverse. That's what change of character tells you. So it's just that when you see a change of character now, it just means that price might be reversing very soon. So I'll just show you now, right here. So a change of character happened right here, because what happened? Because price didn't break the lowest high. So when price didn't break the lowest high, what happened? A break of structure happened. So that break of structure first, so they were gonna continue back into the same trend, but it didn't. It continued going up until it broke the previous high. I mean the previous low for the downtrend, and a change of character has formed, and price has continued and started to reverse. So usually what people do, right, is they just see, oh, price broke price, and now when something like that happens, now when you want to confirm that a change of character happens, you come here, right, and you just take your line, come here, that's the market, right? So you just see if it body closed, so like example, as you can see here, the body has closed over the line, so that means a change of character happened, and price has reversed and will continue in the new trend that's going, so in an uptrend. So that's how you have to identify market structure. It's really simple. It's not much. You just need to identify the high highs, high lows, and low highs and low lows, and that's about it for that. But let's just continue and let's go. Let's see, where's my brush? So as I was saying, did. Oh my gosh, come here. Let's come here. And sorry for my drawing, guys. So what is this right here? So this right here is an uptrend. Uptrend means price is going up, so it's bullish. That's an uptrend. So when here's price started, price went high, and here's a new high, and this is a new high low, a new high, high low, new high, and high low. And just to understand break of structure, it's really quite simple. You just come here. See, this is just break of structure. That's just quite it. So when it just breaks the other previous, what you call it, high. So like come here, price broke the high, the price broke that, came break of structure again, price came back up here and it built a new high, came down, it broke the previous high, break of structure again. It's quite simple. It's not really anything, no fancy words. Break of structure just means it just broke the previous structure. So as it's just in the name, break of structure. So BOS, break of structure, just means price has broke the previous structure. So price broke the previous high or price broke the previous low, and that's just about it for break of structure. It's quite simple. And change of character just means price is about to reverse, and I just got a confirmation is being waited for. That's quite simple. So yeah, change of character, as I'll show you here, is when price reverses. So example, if price is going in a downtrend and suddenly it breaks the previous high, the previous low or previous high, it just means that price has changed direction, is now going into, and price is reversing, is going back into an uptrend. So if you were in a downtrend previously, price will go into an uptrend. So usually whenever you're in whatever this is, as you can see here, this is consolidation. So price just consolidates in this block. So just say like, where's my brush? So just say price is just consolidating the whole time here. It's breaking nothing, so the price consolidating right here. Usually we don't take trades in consolidation, so it's probably in New York or Tokyo, not New York, sorry, don't get confused, guys. In just like what you call it, Tokyo and Asian systems, price usually consolidates and we don't take trades there because price is just choppy, it doesn't look good, the market is so bad, and like it's just stuck in a place, so you don't know what's happening. So you just stay out of consolidation areas. That's what I'm telling you. Just stay out of consolidation because you usually don't find big moves there and you can't catch a trade, basically. So yeah. So as we know, uptrend is bullish, downtrend is bearish, consolidation is when market's moving sideways. So break of structure is when it just breaks the previous structure, and change of character is when price is about to be reversed. Please guys, do your own research on this. Don't like follow me. I'm still a beginner, as I was saying, but this is just stuff I want to teach you guys. This is just stuff that I'm hoping to teach you. I'm not teaching you, but like you know what I mean. That's what I wanted to say. That's about it. As I was saying, let's go find something else. As you can see, price was consolidating here. It really was not building new highs and highs, but price was not consolidating here. So you just come here. So I just want you guys to go to the charts now and see and build your own high. So you just say about this. It's really simple, guys. Just come here. Where's my tool? Come here. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. But then what happens? A break of structure happens where price just broke this, you see? And just know price always closes a body, so a full body close, right? A full body close to the what you call it. So if a price closes under the previous low, it means break of structure, and it must be a full body. If you just see a week, it means price didn't break there, and it's gonna break soon enough. That's how an uptrend or downtrend works. So that's just about it. As you can see here, sometimes when price broke here, a break of structure happened, and a change of character also happened. And that's about it for the video, guys. Really, please just understand: swing high, swing low, a peak before price drops, swing low, a dip before price rises, break of structure, price breaks the last high and low, change of character, price breaks the other way. So as you can see here, uptrend, price keeps making higher highs and higher lows. Buyers are in control, best to look for buy trades. Downtrend, price keeps making lower lows and lower highs. Sellers are in control, best to look for sell trades. So when price is stuck between high points, resistance and support, no clear direction, best to wait or trade bouncing between levels. Using the tool, but best for you just stay out of trades like that, because you really don't know when price might break out or just suddenly shoot up in the other direction if you're in a buy or sell trade. So yeah, what is market structure, guys? Let's just recap. Market structure is how price moves on a chart. It shows you the market's going up or down or sideways. So yeah, they say traders use it to see the trend and decide when to buy or sell. So yeah, guys, different time frames, right? Different time frames shows different, what you call it, different trend. So but we usually trust example now, yeah, if you just come here on 1 minute, you will see a whole completely different trend. See, the 4 hour captures so much. As you can see on the 1 minute, we're in a downtrend right here, because as you can see, let me just try to zoom in as much as I can. As you can see, here's the low high, downtrend, high, high, ding, 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 ding. And guess what happens? A change of character happens, so that means now price is going up again, and it turned into a bullish trend. So as you can see here, price did break here, but it didn't continue going in a downtrend. Came up and broke the previous high, and yeah, a break of structure happened. Guess what? It continued in that. In the second high, took out the second high here, and a change of character happened. So yeah, that's just about it for the video, guys. I hope you guys understand. Just to understand it more, I will put some links to other YouTube videos that you should watch to understand it more better than how I explained it. I know I didn't explain it much, but yeah, I'm just trying to become a profitable trader. Soon we will be trading, and yeah, in the next day 4, we'll be doing strategies, we'll be doing other types of we'll be doing strategies. We're gonna do strategy tester, and we're gonna be what we will back testing. And yeah, that's about it for the video, guys. Please just understand market structure. There are 3 main types of market structure: uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. So how do you read the market? So if you look at the market, you say, is it an uptrend, downtrend, or is consolidating? So if it's in an uptrend, you mark the highs and lows. If it's in a downtrend, you still mark the highs and lows, and you look for break of structure to confirm the trend, and look for change of character to spot reversals. Trade with the main direction, guys. Please don't don't change what you call it, your trades or your bias in the middle of the day. If you say you're gonna look for buys only, stick to that, and yeah, inshallah, this is my way of becoming a profitable trader, and we'll be trading ICT concepts. That's what I've decided on. I'll be trying to do ICT concepts, and yeah, inshallah it does go well and I do become a profitable trader. Guys, please know I'm not a mentor and I'm 17, I'm learning just like you guys, so please don't take my videos to the heart. Like, please do your own research and do your own, what do you call it, do your own testing and try to find answers yourself. Sometimes I won't explain it very well because I might not understand the topic very well. I might understand it, but I might not explain it as well as how I think of it. So yeah, guys, please, we have different mindsets. People understand differently. So check out some other videos, understand the market structure, and yeah, just watch me become a profitable trader. I'm just showing you. There's reasons why I do these videos. It's just to show you guys the brutal truth of trading, and yeah, there's no like, there's not a get quick scheme as I said before, and yeah, this takes time, it takes effort. You have to put in the effort, you have to put in the time to become a profitable trader, and inshallah all of us could try to become free and financially free, inshallah. I mean, enjoy guys, and that's the end of the video, and be stay tuned for day 4. Shukran. Assalamu alaikum.